If you are looking for the best whole house humidifier, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started.
At any time, you can click the circle for more info and real-time deals.
Number 1. Most popular, AIRCARE MA1201 Whole House Humidifier. Perhaps one of the best whole home humidifiers available right now is the AIRCARE MA1201 console-style evaporative humidifier. This standalone unit may look unassuming, but it's surprisingly effective at maintaining the desired level of humidity within your home, and it comes at an unbeatable price. This whole home humidifier from AIRCARE can be used in houses up to 3,600 square feet. It can run for up to 36 hours and has a 3.6-gallon tank capacity. The console-style humidifier uses a digital humidistat to achieve whatever humidity level you desire. Number 2. Honeywell HCM 350B Mist Humidifier. The 3-speed setting makes moisture control as easy as 1, 2, 3. In my opinion, this is the best feature of the unit because it allows you to choose precisely what level of humidity you want to achieve. It keeps things simple, is easy to use, and only takes a couple of minutes to get to grips with. The wicking filter is a smart little piece of design that gets the job done the right way. The part I liked about it is that it's virtually dust-free. Number 3. AIRCARE EP9 800 Digital Whole House Humidifier. Most standalone humidifiers are rather unattractive, so you might feel like you have to hide them in discreet corners of your home. If you're searching for a whole home humidifier that's more attractive, you should definitely look into the AIRCARE EP9 800 Digital Whole House Pedestal Style Evaporative Humidifier. This reasonably priced humidifier can be used in houses up to 2,400 square feet, and it has an impressive 3.5-gallon tank capacity that can run for up to 60 hours. It includes a digital display where you can set the desired humidity level as well as 9 fan speeds. Number 4. Honeywell Cool Moisture Console Humidifier. Dry air can be a real pain in the neck, can't it? If you're trying to sleep at night, it is bound to leave you feeling uncomfortable, which is no good when you need some rest. The idea with the cool moisture is that you can take care of multiple rooms at the same time. The 24-hour operation is useful because it makes maintenance that little bit more straightforward. If you know you have to refill it at the same time each day to keep it going, then I'd suggest doing exactly that. Number 5. Honeywell HE360A 1075 HA360A Whole House Humidifier. If you live in a large home, a standalone humidifier might not be enough to affect the humidity level throughout the house. In these situations, you may want to consider a more advanced product such as the Honeywell-powered flow-through whole house humidifier. This product is more expensive than most standalone units, but it's designed to be used in homes up to 4,500 square feet. The Honeywell humidifier attaches directly to your furnace and it distributes moisture throughout your home via the central HVAC system, while you may need a professional to install this unit.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.